Good morning, children. I hope you are doing good. Today we are going to learn lesson 30, that is body and idioms. Okay, body and idioms. So, here an idioms is a group of words whose meaning is different from the meaning of the individual words. So here idioms means is a group of word, okay, that gives is a different meaning, that is called idioms. So that word also, if it is individual word, it gives another meaning, and if it is in a group, that is gives a different meaning. For example, hand means we know that hand, and fingers means we know that this is the fingers. But if it is in a group of word, the idiom, okay, that is gives a different meaning. Okay, so in this lesson we are going to learn some idioms and their meanings. So in these idioms our body parts also included. Okay, so here these are the idioms and these are the meaning, but it is not a correct meaning which is the state for that. Okay, this is not a correct meaning. We are going to arrange which is the correct meaning for that idioms. So which given here, it is not a correct meaning for the order. So we are going to arrange with the idioms a correct meaning. Okay, so see here our body parts are given: hand, mouth, toes, arms, fingers, backbone, eye, tongue, brain, nail, legs. So these are the our body parts. So if it is individual, we know the meaning, what is hand, what is leg, what is finger, what is arms. But now it is in the group of words. So now we don't know the meaning. So we are going to learn that meaning with the idioms. Okay, the first one is give someone a hand. The first one is give someone a hand. So what is the meaning for that? So help somebody. Give someone hand means we have to help somebody. Those who are in struggle, those who are poor, to them we have to help. So that is the meaning for that, give someone a hand. So second one is live from hand to mouth. Live from hand to mouth. So live from hand to mouth. Not able to fulfill basic needs. So live from hand to mouth. That is the hand means we know that this is the hand. Mouth means we know this is the mouth. But live from hand to mouth. Okay, live from hand to mouth means we should fulfill our basic needs. That is live to hand to mouth. Live from hand to mouth means not able to fulfill our basic needs. There are many people are there, they are not fulfill their basic needs still. Okay, so heart and soul. Heart and soul, what is the meaning for that? Complete devotion. So we need complete devotion, heart and soul. So when we are doing prayer, that time we feel complete devotion, or when we are doing yoga, that time we feel complete devotion. So heart and soul means complete devotion. Okay, and be on one's toes. Be on one's toes. Let's try. We can be on one's. We can stand on one toes. No, we can't stand on one toes. But the meaning is always be active or alert. So be on one's toes means we should active always and be alert also. Okay, so be on one's toes means active and alert. With open arms, with open arms we know that what is arms, but with open arms, what is that? With great warmth or welcoming. Okay, so if someone comes your home, okay, some guests are coming to your home, that time we should have smiling face and we should welcome to them. That is with open arms. Okay, fifth one. And sixth one, burn one's fingers. Shall we do burn one's finger? Shall we burn our one's finger? No, but the meaning is, it is the idioms. Okay, but meaning is, the correct meaning for that, suffer because of carelessness. Okay, if we are doing something in the kitchen, okay, we have to take out something on the gas stove, that times our carelessness, we can, because of our carelessness we can burn our fingers. So that is the burn one's fingers, suffer because of carelessness. And seventh one is be the backbone. Okay, be the backbone. So backbone, we know that, what is that? Be the backbone, what is the meaning for that? So that means be the main support. If we are working under any institute, or if we are doing business with partnership, that time we should be support to our partners. Okay, we should give a support to our partners, that is be the main support. Okay, and keep an eye on, keep an eye on. So keep, we know that, what is the meaning of keep? I, we know eye. What is that? Keep an eye on. Okay, the meaning is watch carefully. Okay, watch carefully. If your teachers are teaching a lesson to you, please watch carefully, listen carefully. Okay, that is keep an eye on. And ninth one is hold one's tongue. Hold one's tongue. Okay, hold we know, once also we know, if it is separate word, it gives another meaning. But here the group of words, it is the idioms, so it is gives another meaning. What is that? Keep silent. Okay, keep silent. So hold one's tongue means give rest to your tongue, don't talk continuously. Okay, that is keep silent. So 10th one is beat one's brain out. Beat one's brain out. So beat, we know that, no? Once also we know the meaning, brain also we know, and out also we know. If it is individual word, we know the meaning. What is that? Exact meaning, we know that. But here it all together, the group of words, as a sentence it is. So now the meaning is different. What is that? Think very hard. Think very hard. That is beat one's brain out. So think very hard. If you want to achieve your goal, please think very hard. Tooth and nail. So tooth, we know this, tooth and nail. So for that meaning, with all effort or might, with all effort or might, and pull someone's leg. Pull someone's leg. Now we know that pull means, okay, someone's means others, and legs. So now it is give another meaning. Yes, no? Now it gives another meaning. But here the correct meanings of idioms: tease somebody. Okay, tease somebody. Pull someone's leg means we should tease somebody. With our friend circle, we teach somebody. So let's read once again the idioms and with the correct meanings. The first one is give someone a hand. Give someone a hand means help somebody. Okay, help somebody. Live from hand to mouth. The meaning is not able to fulfill basic needs. And third one is heart and soul. Heart and soul. Complete devotion. The meaning is complete devotion. Be on one's toes. Always be active or alert. Fifth one is with open arms. The meaning is with great warmth or welcoming. Sixth one is burn one's fingers. Burn one's fingers. The meaning is suffer because of carelessness. Be the backbone. Seventh one is be the backbone. Meaning is be the main support. Keep an eye on. Watch carefully. Hold one's tongue. Hold one's tongue. The meaning is keep silent. Okay, keep silent. For that, instead of this, we can use hold one's tongue while we are talking. Okay, beat one's brain out. That means think very hard. Tooth and nail with all effort or might. Pull someone's leg, tease somebody. Okay, so these are the new words for us. It's a new sentence for us. While we are talking, the time use of this sentence, instead of this, we can use the idioms also to talk. Okay, so please learn all the idioms with the meaning, with the correct meaning, and try to use in your sentence while you are talking in English. Okay, I hope you understand the idioms, what is idioms and the meanings. Okay, idioms means if it is a individual word, it gives another meaning. Okay, if it is individual word, it gives another meaning. But if it is in group of words as idioms, it gives another meaning. Thank you and have a nice day.